Asikubingelele good morning kwi episode elandelayo ezike sesikhona ke njengenjwayelo. Khumbula ukuthi sizoba nesikhathi esimnandi mina nawe sokhuluma khona ama issues ahlukahlukene especially athinte wona ipolitiki. All right? Gama ke umxolisi stressless wakamhlongo. Sekwamukela kwi Mbizo podcast. Uyazi ukuthi ke sisuke sikhuluma nama leaders ahlukahlukene especially masikhuluma ngepolitiki. YaseThekwini yase-province yaKwaZulu Natal and then yakuzwelonke. So today sikhuluma nobhala we-SANCO kwi-province yaKwaZulu Natal ubaba umhlonishwa uCele Sizwe Cele Magai. Asikubingelele mfethu, welcome. Uyaphila?
Njengoba ngamgaphi sabonga kakhulu, sabonga umukelwa kule podcast Imbizo egabavulayo njengenjomane iKwaZulu Natal neSouth Africa yonke, sabonga kakhulu.
Finally mfethu salithola ithuba ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sihlale sikhulume. Hey okay, angicacise uMagai ngimfunile bakwethu. Uyazi kulezi insuku uMagai ubusy, uyabona, ngamfuna wathi njomane angazi but ke ake sizame sibone ukuthi kuyenzekani. Kodwa ke asibonge mfethu ngalo ithuba, yabona ngiyazi ukuthi nibhizi kakhulu yezike iSANCO especially kuyona ke province yaKwaZulu Natal, njengoba sazi ukuthi njengamanje izinto omunye umuntu angasho ukuthi abahlali bayakhala kakhulu ngezinto ezahlukahlukene ezenzakala ku province yaKwaZulu Natal especially makhuluma ngayo ipolitiki, uyabona. Nabantu endlela ebhodweni elilodwa nabo engekho happy ngabo, right? But ke sofika lapho, you know ukuthi kunento eyangixaka ukuthi uSizwe sengimbona manje sekwipolitiki, but mina uSizwe ngimazi kumculo. Uyabona, I remember ngekhathi zakudala Elvovo benama hit unokufika emsakazweni izwi lomzansi, yabona. Take us through lapho mfethu.
Yes no I should think kwakuseyikona ukusebenzela umphakathi okuhambisana nawo futhi uSANCO inhlangano yabahlali. Umuntu ungene emculweni ngoba efakwa uZex Bantwini. Engakabi ke uZex Bantwini nje esewuzakhele badida. Mina ngiqhamuka kwaMashu noZex uqhamuka kwaMashu.
Nikhule ndawonye.
Sihlanganile kwasho ukuthi insizwa mina ngimdala ke ukuthi hayi ngibrazo kwadinga ukuthi ngimlekelele. Ngayithanda idream yakhe yo music, uyafunda ADUT, yabo. Kwadinga ukuthi kube khona ama finances afakwayo ukuze kwenzeke i-album Elvovo, yababonaka labantwana abayakusukela, yabo. So we worked there ke sangena and kuleyo process ngabona imali eningi esispendayo eya eGoli. Ngengene kulawo ma details kodwa ngase ngibuka ukuthi yazi la KwaZulu Natal asinaso nestudio, besikhona istudio kodwa sizodwa kwesikama Malcolm Nhleko lapha.
Malcolm.
Hayi futhi ngaxoxa nabo Malcolm no Black Coffee ukuthi hayi nami ngifuna uvula istudio la, yabo. Wasiza ke no Black Coffee waspeka ukuthi istudio sethu kumele sibe kanjani. Ngenzela ama artist aKwaZulu Natal. Sasivula ke futhi istudio bese lapha iCommercial City building. Sagcina ke nje ubonile nje sesiproducer no Thamindo, wakhona no Sniper, may his soul rest in peace. Senza nje izinto eziningi no Bizori nje uBizori bebe ziwa lapha estudio sisebenzisana nabo uZex Bantwini, oMondli Ngcobo, o DJ Melon nje bese uMelon manje. But ke umuntu ungene kanjalo kodwa it was ukuthi nje ayibo ngene ngizolekelela amajita abe hustlisha kanjalo. 2007 mhlawumbe uzokhumbula we produce i-album esasibizwa ngokuthi Msholozi, produce i-record label yethu iSizwe Productions, no Zulu Boy, Ashele Mhlophe, umfitsen Magubane. But kodwa kwakuseyikona nje ukuthi phela umuntu uyi-political activist. That's why sayigcina sesiproducer leya album ngo-2007 yayi-political. Kodwa umuntu ekhona emzabalazweni kodwa ukuthi nje uyabona musungene ku music assista nakhona yinto ekunikeza exposure kakhulu, yabo.
So now growing up kaMashu, well we all know ukuthi uMashu back in the days rough kanjani. I understand. So growing up kaMashu kuze kucace ukuthi kahle kahle lento yepolitiki it's something ekhona kuwena kwakunjani?
It was very tough. Uyayizwa le.
Yeah.
It's very tough. Sike sisho nje ukuthi thina asiyanga kwipolitiki kuyijoyina yasifica ibikhona la hlala khona. Ngoba mubuka nje 1986 I was 13 years old. That's when I started to be a political activist.
Is it?
Khona lento kwakuthiwa sasibiza ke language yakudala kuthiwa ukutshala upineapple. Yabona musakhipha ama invitation uyofaka emaposini abantu ukuthi kunomhlangano la. Kwakuthunyelwa thina siyingane yabona I was 13 years old at that time ngifaka eposini lomuzi nomuzi akunake ukuthi ingane yenzani eposini yabo ngoba kwangamele sibonakala ukuthi ubani lapho sibiza umhlangano ukuthi khona umhlangano othize endaweni ethize kanjalo so umuntu nje azange esayeka ukuba i-activist yabo noma esekhulile nje wangena ku student politics waqhubeka kwawukuthi nje later on mase sisebenza sathi hayi so thatha i-backseat as-contest ama-position because umuntu besesebenza wangena ku-corporate kodwa siyi-politically aware and politically active ekuhlaleni kuwukuthi kodwa asifuni ukucontesta lento yokucontesta ifike later usubona ukuthi hey yazi phela mesihlele emuva khona izinto ezonakalayo kanti u-ANC siyawazi and nenhlangano yabahlali siyayazi yabo lona ukusho ukuthi hayi nabanye bayabuza bafeshozana bafethu kuyonakala nawe uyabona ukuthi ake sibuye sizo raise ama voices ethu la ukulekelela futhi nakhona ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngendlela right.
Okay, now asingene kule ngifuna explainele noma ungichazele uyabona ungibreakele down iSANCO because abanye abantu uzothola ukuthi sebaza just ama political parties.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So now uyabona nje bekade ngibona kunesithamo sabe indaba eClifffontein indaba yelokhuzana indaba yabavukuzi uyabona laba abavaleke ngaphansi komhlaba over 4,500 you understand uminister umchunu bekade ekhona so now nje uminister umchunu bekade ekhona then ube nomhlangano with abahlali bakuleya ndawo and the SANCO was there. You understand? Umuntu beyibona ama t-shirt nani. But umuntu understand ukuthi yini SANCO.
Yes.
But wena ezunobhala.
Yes.
Uyabona wena understandayo kangcono kunami okangcono kunomuntu obukele njengamanje.
Yes. No. Thanks very much futhi ukuthi siqale kahle leyo question is very important. You know ngibuke abanye abantu mhlawumbe ethi umuntu asiyazi SANCO thina sazi ANC. Abantu bafuna ukuthi mhlambe iSANCO engazi ukuthi ngacontesta kwispace neANC kanti iSANCO inhlangano abahlali engavotelwa ayicontest ispace ayifuni ukuthi ziyaziwe njengama political organizations because ama political organizations ubukhona babo budepende ekuvotelweni nabantu ukuze uvotelwe abantu you must advertise yourself. They spend time and strategy ukuze waziwe uposte ngama achievements akho. No, uSANCO is not at that space because it's a civic organization okusho ukuthi inhlangano yabahlali ekhuluma idingo zomphakathi engavotelwa yona ekuyiyona ethathe iresolution yathi izovotela iANC soxoxa ke futhi nalokho later on kodwa ngisafuna nje ukuchaza yona iSANCO ukuthi iSANCO iqale after mekuphela iUDF ivalwe iUDF yabona ithemba ivalwe iUDF. UDF was not a political organization. UDF was a civic organization. Uzokhumbula ukuthi UDF ivele after ama political organizations evaliwe wonke ekwi-exile. Athe mesesebuyile kwase kuthiwa hayi kulungile asebuyile iUDF asiyivala kodwa i-leadership futhi ayikhona ngaleso sikhathi yabuka yona Oliver Tambo yabuka ukuthi hayi awukwazi ukurun i-country ungenayo i-civic organization because kuyiqiniso ukuthi khona abantu abangayingeni ipolitiki. Uzokhumbula ngalezi zikhathi thina ngama 80s now nama early 90s sasibabiza sithi asingeni angithi manje wonke umuntu usesakazi ukuthi waye active emsabalazweni but babekhona sasithi asingeni, meaning who never had time nje for politics, who were satisfied ngokuya emsebenzini whatever job babeyenza banaka impilo zabo nemindeni yabo. So it's a reality of the matter lo, baningi abantu abanjalo abangayingeni epolitiki kodwa aba-worried if amanzi engekho, aba-worried if umgwaqo ungakhandiwe, aba-worried if izindlu zingakhandiwe, aba-worried mekhona i-crime ngoba iyaba-affecta bonke. So this is why-ke i-leadership nje yayikhona ngalesa sikhathi yabuka ukuthi no, we still need i-civic organization ezoba i-umbrella body ezokwazi ukufinyelela kulabantu nje abangenayo i-interest yezepolitiki. So that's how uSANCO was formed ngo-1992 March. And umufonywa uSANCO inherited about 80% of ama-asset e-UDF le eyayi-dissolve at that point in time. Because uSANCO was going to take umsebenzi we-civic organization to another level. Usuzoba i-umbrella board yawo wonke ama-civic organization. This is why it's called South African National Civic Organization. Okusho ukuthi mekhona omama bama-co-op bayatshala kunenkawu engena lapha zidla iy'tshalo zabo, bafuna i-fencing, bayakhuluma nohulumeni akuzwakali, funa bakwazi ukuthi baxhumane noSANCO emazingeni abo la bahlala khona ukuthi SANCO anisilekeleleni la yabo lo mekunenkinga yamanzi uyakwazi ukuthi kade ngireporter ku-council aka-attend le issue, SANCO ungenelele yabo njengoba ngifika nje manje kuyisekuseni ngeke ukholwe ukuthi ngiqeda ukubhalela esinye isikhulu samasipala waseThekwini ukuthi ngamnikeza i-fault number umphakathi, ilunga lomphakathi seliripothile lithi qhuma amanzi la awasekho amanzi-ke manje-ke imizi ewu-50 is affected kule area bakuyona yabo. So wangithumelela i-reference number, ngimthumelele isikhulu sikamasipala ukuthi ngicela u-attende la mfowethu. Sesiphendulile-ke sathi seso-attend. So ilezo zinto-ke kufuneka sikhulumile lezo mphakathi kune-crime uSANCO kumele wenze ama-street committees. Umsebenzi kaSANCO lento yama-street committees ukubhekelela ama-issues e-safety. So zonke lezo zinto insola amathuba okusola umsebenzi, SANCO must be there and engaging with the ruling party, no matter ukuthi ubani i-ruling party at that time, kodwa uSANCO uyizwi lomphakathi. So yile nto ke singayisho kodwa ke asikubalule futhi ukuthi as uSANCO siya-understanda kahle ukuthi noma singakhuluma zonke lezi idingo esiyifunayo, sifuna kobani ekugcineni? Sifuna kosopolitiki. So manje sinento ethi yazi njengoba sifuna kosopolitiki ngoba ithina futhi esibavotelayo njengomphakathi. So kusho kumele sidecide ukuthi uhlobo olunjani losopolitiki. Yilawo sibona khona-ke sesithi hayi engazi ukuthi u-ANC uhlobo losopolitiki esilifunayo ekhuluma lezi idingo zabantu esiyi-prioritizayo nathi as uSANCO, siya-aligna ne-Freedom Charter. Yayizwa lento ngoba i-Freedom Charter phela akuyona ukuthi yenziwa i-ANC, yenziwa i-Congress of the People. So people with different ideas came together. So i-Freedom Charter is a true document, a reflector ama-aspirations of the people of South Africa. So yila sesithi khona hayi laba through this Freedom Charter, through NDR, siyabona ukuthi laba siba-support.
Do you think ukuthi umsebenzi wenu as SANCO ekuchazeleni noma kwenzeni abantu ba-understand, baqonde ukuthi iSANCO meaning bona as abantu babaluleke kangakanani, bane-influence engakanani kuma-leaders?
Yes, ubalulekile but ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu abakawuboni. Bayawubona abanye ngoba phela sinayo i-membership throughout the country. Njengoba ukhuluma nje ukhuluma ngenye iprovince, uSANCO was there to discuss our issues of national importance. But yazi mfethu ngizokutshela iqiniso, yazi ezinye izinto ngeke ngithi mina i-democracy yase-South Africa is still young. I know people will want to say 30 years, but 30 years compared to what? 30 years, we'll talk about it later, I'm sure we'll have time. kodwa ke given ukuthi sinalo understanding ukuthi democracy yethu is still young, meaning kusenezinye izinto esayifunda. Say 1994 uyazi baningi abantu othi hayi mephuma uMandela nje baningi abantu hayi sesithola into esasifunda uMandela sebephumile sesoyekela izinto kubona. Mingeni ANC emandleni sathi hayi hake sesoyekela ANC irane sesongena emhlanga sithatha izindlu singene ko Durban North senze noma yini yabo lo. But as sikhula and we are maturing, we begin to realize ukuthi hayi man, ama-comrade akhona lapha eParliament. But le Parliament kusekhona ne-National Party. Hayi kusekhona ne-DA. Basamele into zabo. Hayibo le mthetho ayikakashintshi yayizwa lo. Oh, na le nto ayisho uMandela noma president ethi the struggle continues. Sesiyayibona ngithi manje umsabalazo akakapheli. I-freedom yethu ayikakapheleli. So asikwazi ukuyekelela futhi u-ANC wodwa uqhubeke uthi uzodeliver le freedom wodwa, i-leadership wodwa. Le inhlaka enjengoSANCO, umsebenzi omkhulu ohlalela uSANCO manje is to revolutionize the society. I-society understand ukuthi hey hang on, aniphume lapha emaclubini, aniphume lapha eShisanyama. Musani ukuthi nina nje hayi niyadimanda kuphela. Come back and be part of ukuqhubeka nomzabalazo ukuze umzabalazo wethu uzuphumelela. uSANCO is doing that. We are creating a political conscious society to understand ukuthi lo 1994 was not everything. We just got political freedom. Asikakayitholi economic freedom, umhlaba wethu akabuyi. Futhi there will be no economic freedom umhlaba ungakabuyi. So asingasheshe celebrate. We don't have a reason to celebrate yet. We can celebrate 1994 as a breakthrough kodwa siqhubeke. So that's what we are doing here njengamanje. No, SANCO is being revived because we have realized that as uSANCO we have acknowledged leyo nto ukuthi cha asibuye ne-ANC siphinde sishisa umlilo ngaphansi kwenyawo zawo lapha eParliament. Ukuze wazi ukuthi abahlali nazi izinto abayifunayo. Abahlali basafuna umhlaba. Abahlali basafuna i-economy. Sisafuna imfuyo. Uyayizwa lento. Asikakabusi lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu mesidala wathi asibe nedominion. Asibuse phezulu kwemfuyo, asibuse phezulu kwazo zonke izinto ezikhona emhlabeni. Okusho ukuthi while besicindezelwe apartheid, i-apartheid besiphuca ilungelo lethu elidalwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi sibuse. So umzabalazo ke must take us back to leyo lungelo lethu.
Okay. Now, the reason enza ukuthi ngibuze lo mbuzo noma lo mbuzo bengubuzile ingenxa ukuthi I realized ukuthi abantu abaningi they started ukunothisa iSANCO that time kuthiwa uformer president uZuma is part of iSANCO, especially kwi-province yaKwaZulu-Natal, right? And then base bethi okay, SANCO yini SANCO? You understand? Now baqala banotice ukuthi okay khona iSANCO, and I'm happy because uyichazile indlela efomeke ngayo kanjalo, right? Naba ngani noZuma?
Ake sithi nje kuyiqiniso ukuthi kakhulukazi la KwaZulu-Natal baningi or bakhona abaqala ukwazi iSANCO ngoba isivezwa uMnumzane Zuma. The first code ukuthi uMnumzane uZuma wayijoinela yena iSANCO. It means ukuthi yena uyayazi ukuthi ikhona.
Yes.
It means futhi ukuthi esawu president wezwe beya einkomfeni ngoba bemenywe as upresident we-alliance partner. Ezokhuluma as upresident we-ANC ukusupporta ama-conferences kaSANCO. Ekhuluma kuma-conferences anabantu abawu-2000 ehholo, abantu abaqhamuka kuma-provinces zonani KwaZulu-Natal. Ngithi yayibona ukuthi already iSANCO besiyaziwa, uZuma engalona ilunga likaSANCO.
But-ke okay, nxese Makhaya. But-ke for abantu especially abasha.
Yes.
Understand? Especially abantu abasha. They started ukunotice ukuthi how way.
Yes.
There is iSANCO. We understand.
Lapho ukuthi uZuma, you must know. That's a fact we cannot deny.
Yeah.
uZuma has won even kuma newspapers ukuba i-newsmaker.
Yeah.
I don't know for how many years,
Yeah,
yabo.
yeah.
So which means unakho lokho ukuthi in whatever say involve kuyona iyakwazi ukunyuka igrabhe i-attention.
Attention yabantu.
So no Sanko ke of course wakwazi ukugrabha i-attention yabantu abaningi yanyuka yaze yafika kuleyo level. Kahle kahle uMsholozi samhlonipha is a stalwart in politics of South Africa. Wajoyina uSanco, we were happy nathi ukuthi sizo benefita from ulwazi ne-experience kaNxamalala. But i-problem yenzeke if uNxamalala engase attend umhlangano kaSanco. Then it's a problem. Okusho ukuthi uSanco had to apply his constitution. Constitution kaSanco ke ithi uma usuluza imhlangano yaze yamthathu ngaphandle kwesizathu esimukelekile usuyixoshe wena. We have absconded from the office.
Okay.
So akuyona ngisho ne-hearing leyo. So you know ke akekho umuntu ongaphezulu kaSanco because once waqala wasunomuntu ongaphezulu kwe-organization shuthi lapho usudevelope lento ekuthiwa i-leadership cult. So asinayo i-leadership cult. Thina sibophezelwa i-constitution. So that's all that's happened to uMsholozi. Sikaze sixabane naye or ekwenye i-political party noma singahambisani lo political party yakhe but thina we were doing what i-constitution yethu is saying we must do.
Yeah. But already there was a tension because kwabonakala naye as a Sanco ni supporter as a Sanco kwi-province yaKwaZulu-Natal ni supporter former president uZuma whereas ANC kwi-province yaKwaZulu-Natal yayingahambisani, so there was a tension between you guys and ANC kwi-province le yaKwaZulu-Natal. Number 2, there was a tension between i-leadership ye-province kwi-Sanco no-national because of uMsholozi. Right? So already kwasekukhona lo tension leyo. So one would think ukuthi kushuthi i-province yaKwaZulu-Natal kwi-leadership yavaleleke khona ukuthi no man ayimrelease kuma-duties akhe.
Look, ukhumbula ngithe i-democracy yethu isayintsha.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi kunegigaba ezithize ekusamele zenzeke ezweni.
Okay.
Ngelanga abanye bayozalwa ngenye generations abokwazi ukurefer kuyona. Ukuthi nakhumbula ngelanga elithile kwenzeka ukuthi kwathatha inqunye ezithize. Yabona le kaMsholozi, it was a different scenario which has never happened in the life of Sanco and the alliance. Yabo.
Yeah.
So that's why we're saying okay, we're learning along the way. Ngizochazela ke ama events ahambisana kanjani. Ngenhlanhla ngisawakhumbula nama date. I guess umsebenzi kaNobhala vese lo. You see ngomhla ka 20 December siba ne media briefing 2023.
Okay.
Umsholozi akithi announce ngomhla ka 16
December. Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
Thina ngo 20 December, okay, bese kuzothi ngo 18 December isibiza iPEC ANC extended PEC. Izothi asambeni siyokhuluma out there sithi we against uMsholozi neMKP. Sibiza kwi-PEC extended. Asikaze sihlale as i-alliance. Okusho ukuthi i-alliance ihlala kanje. Kumele iqale ihlale i-secretariat onobhala board. Sofola. Comrade Bheki Mtolo we-ANC, Comrade Themba Mthembu SACP, Comrade Edwin Mkhize we-COSATU, Comrade Sizwe Cele we-SANCO. So kumele sihlale thina so-4 as a secretariat simaphi way forward. Uma sisuka lapho singabiza ama-officials manje sesibiza ama-top 5 or top 6 depending ukuthi uqhamuka kiphi organization. Kuyohlala ama-officials azodiscussa ama-recommendations ama-secretariat. Misuka lapho sekumele sesingaya ke kuma-extended PEC meetings la sesibiza khona whether ubiza i-ANC yonke kodwa ke kube khona ne-leadership ye-alliance. Sesiyokhulumani manje? Siyokhuluma ama-resolution, sekwama-resolution leyo, i-alliance isiyokhuluma manje guide i-secretariat ngoba by the time nathi siqede sihleli kwama-officials we go back sibuyela kuma-PEC zethu siwa-update ukuthi this is how we have agreed yabo lonto sesingaya-ke kuyi-extended whichever way uyibiza kakhona extended but lokhu akwenzekanga last year. I-ANC isibize emhlanganweni wangomhla ka-18 December 2023 mesifika isihlele ne-media briefing ngo-2 extended PEC meeting e-ANC okusho ukuthi kukhona nohlalo nonobhala nama-officials ama-regions e-ANC o-11 sizongena nathi bazobeka le challenge le MKP nokuthi kumele responde kanjani kuyona sesigayidwa abanini manje ama-officials e-ANC nathi we were there as uSANCO. We did not want to go there but i-PEC ye-SANCO agreed after simenyiwe ukusiza emhlanganweni mhla 18 ukuthi no asiyeni siyoyitshela i-ANC ngoba asikwazi ukungaya emhlanganweni mesibiziwe akithi sinaleyo principle ukuthi iyani emhlanganweni noma ungawuthandi siya already lapha sine mandate evela kwi-PEC ethi sizosho ukuthi sesibonile emaphepheni ukuthi niyasibiza nini emhlanganweni already senibize ne-media briefing niyothini kwi-media briefing ithini iview yethu ahlalile nathi so sizosho kulo mhlangano bese siyahamba ukuthi asamsani nale view enisibize yakhona anisitreatile kahle already sifika la sesi-reduced yazi kulo mhlangano ngithi kugcwele about 80 people comrades ANC or so ngaphakamisa ezunobhala nohlalo waphakamisa uhlalo was number 24 uhlalo uComrade Lawrence Dube was number 24 ezandleni ezayiphakamisile mina was number 25 ukusho ukuthi ngizokhuluma kwi-extended meeting I'm a provincial secretary nohlalo is provincial chairperson is lead the constituency a leader in the same geographical location ne-ANC ngokufanayo in the province of KwaZulu Natal kodwa sizokhuluma emhlanganweni kumele si-endorse whatever is being said so number 20 something. You know, they spoke comrade region. I think when he's got to number 17, he said, comrade, you know, we're speaking. ANC or party alliance why don't you manje, comrade chair? Alliance, alliance. That was the first time we were able to speak in that meeting, and we said what was supposed to be said is alliance, which is Sanku Tina go constitution yethu. Umnomzana uZuma asikwazi ukuthi asambi naye uZuma i-constitution yethu at that time uyizwe kahle ngithi ine kick up at that time uZuma is a member of SANCO and he will continue to be the chairperson of SANCO. So le media briefing yazi sikhuluma seku u10 to 2 izintatheli sezikhona yet we are expected ukuthi siphume sithi we endorse and smile. You know, we can't be that fake. So we want to be genuine and say, this is the position of SANCO. uZuma is still the chairperson. We are going to support him as a chairperson of SANCO. So, lay political party hayidile nayo. As much as we said, Tina, we support the ANC.
Yeah.
Now, then we call the media briefing. That's why kwabantu xexexexe ngafuna ukuphinda ngene ebona that's when bangazi ukuthi sithe we are bullied yayizwa lonto because of a reaction comrades failed accept a view ephikisana neyabo yayizwa lonto so that was wrong. We don't do that in the alliance and futhi the manner in which that meeting was convened, if we had said kulandela iprotocol yokuhlala kwama meetings e-alliance leya meeting engeke ibe kuleyo level. Now mhla ka-20 ngithi mhla 18 December lo mhla ka-20 we called a media briefing. Ama-officials e-SANCO were all there pronounce that position ukuthi uZuma continues to be the chairperson of SANCO. All along we consult with the national office nathi because we are very careful nathi. We know SANCO is a unitary organization. You must know when we make big pronouncements in the province, the national office is aware because yes, and then we said general secretary, general secretary KZN, we know that he is a lot there. So he is always proper to consult with the higher structure. So we made that media briefing. Of course, it's made big news. But that's what we wanted to clarify. But as we are doing this, within USANCO, there are discussions. Ukuthi kanjani vese thina sithe support ANC kwi-national conference esasibuya kuyona ngoba besine-national conference ngoNovember 24-25. So manje le decision kahlalo we-province we-SANCO ithini yayizwa lo. Then we started engaging. We went through the constitution. Angithi le nto iyasiforce manje ukuthi sifunde i-constitution ukuthi njengoba sikwi-alliance ne-ANC nalama comrade ne-SACP ne-COSATU yini kwi-constitution ethi asibe ne-alliance esivumelayo.
Yeah.
Ngoba sinayo into ethi nombana ngaba yimember ya noma yiphi organization. Yazi kodwa mase sifunda i-constitution saze sacela nama-lawyers. Ingakho phela enkantolo kube khona ama-lawyers a-interpreta i-constitution kubangwe nje nge-constitution ye-organization. Sasi no, let's get i-legal advice because bese kubhalwe nama-constitution ayafakwa ama-law. Yazi laphana kukhona i-clause, I think 7L kwi-SANCO ethi uSANCO unelungelo lokubuya kwi-alliance nanoma yiphi i-political party for as long as uSANCO believes ukuthi leyo political party izophumelelisa inhloso ikaSANCO. So ama-objectives eSANCO. So okusho ukuthi once uSANCO wa-activate le clause ethi singajoyina noma yiphi alliance okusho ukuthi wonke umuntu masithole line. Yabo leyo clause ke manje isupersede yonke into ukuthi once i-national conference ya pronounce yathi nansi i-alliance political i-clear, not just alliance. Ikhona la ikhuluma ngama progressive alliance with civic organization. Bese kuba khona le ikhuluma khona nge-political alliance. Okusho ukuthi once sathatha leyo position, we must support that clause then binds on everyone. So this way ke sesibuka nama-lawyers ne-national office kaSANCO ne-NEC kaSANCO. But as lezi zinto iqhubeka siyahlala phela thina si-provincial office bearer, we must lead the organization. Siyambiza ubaba uMsholozi akafike emhlanganweni. Ayaphendula futhi ubaba yayibona lonto. Siyabuka siyi-province. Yathi PC ma comrade.
Aphendula ubaba.
Yazi uhlalo afethu siyafisa phela ukumbona nathi uhlalo. Yabona nathi sesisha amazambane manje athi PC hayi makerela. Asivume nje lento kababa ayikho. No bhali isini constitution sicela i-attendance register. Kathi hayi ahlala kanjani ama-POB sethi hayi ubaba hayi usuke ngekho makerela. Kwathiwa hayi no bhala apply constitution. Uyayizwa le by the time sihlala thina ngala kwi-NEC si endorser i-advice yama-lawyers. I-PEC iyayipronounce ngala ukuthi nje shiya yonke ama-shenanigans e-politics nani ubaba. But this is a clause yeSANCO ubaba aseyiphulile. Asika lokhu samkhetha yazi ubani manje ngisenze le media briefing of February 16, 2024. I-NEC i-PEC yethu ihlale ya-resolver ekutheni ubaba or uMsholozi asisho kanjalo uhlala useyilove ikhathi zangaphezulu ka-3 akayi-attend ama-POB provincial office bearers, akayi-attend i-PWC akayi-attend ne-PEC yonke yathi PEC hayi lesi clause ke yabona ukuthi asibanganga yathi hayi he is absconded yena himself, he has relinquished his position himself.
So wahamba
kanjalo sase sabuya futhi ke say clarify kwi-media briefing ngomhla 16 February say clarify yonke leyo nto ukuthi even ne-PEC ne-National Executive Committee this is the resolution in terms of illegal advice ukuthi it's us as delegates zama branch national let's say support to ANC
Okay.
but asiwuniki blank check singayi-unpacka lokho later lokho sikutshini asiyiniki blank check futhi asiyisupporti nge-blind loyalty.
Okay.
Kodwa leyo decision yokuyi-support i-ANC until we pronounce otherwise isamile.
Okay. Nibangani ne-ANC kwi-province leyaKwaZulu-Natal?
No, angithi uyabona-ke uma nje uyibuka leyo nto uyabona ukuthi siyofika kwi-media briefing yango-December
Yeah.
18 sithi asiyi kuleya media briefing. Asihlalile siyi-alliance. Angithi under normal circumstances bese kumele kube khona i-secretariat ehlala i-correcta leyo nto.
Sure.
Ayikaze ihlale. Ayikaze ihlale reflect nje kulokho ukuthi comrade kwangamele izifike kuleya level. Sithi thina si-secretariat ANC wena une responsibility yokusi-invite. Wena uyayi-convener, uyayi-leader of the alliance, uyayizwa loo nto. We are equal partners. Akekho a-stepchild, no Sanko is not a stepchild of i-alliance. But u-ANC kwavunyelwana i-alliance ukuthi yona esizocontesta ngayo.
Okay.
Yeah. Because SSCP could have contested in 1994. It was not automatic ukuthi ANC nje will just contest. ANC is a political party. It could have contested. There were even discussions of a Labour Party ukuthi uKhosazwe could also contested. Yayizwa lo. So there was a discussion. So this alliance, ayona nje alliance nje. It's a very strategic alliance which must be respected engadependile kwi-leadership ekhona at that time, particularly individuals.
Okay.
So we're clear about this alliance. Some of us were very much active in the struggle already. So now, of course, sometimes with time, we won't say le leadership lesikhona ngazuthi ne-age incane nakuthina yabo. Uzukuthi yazi le leadership mhlawumbe okunye ifunde phansi ama-discussions eyenzeka before 94 ukuthi kuyiwa kanjani kuma-elections. You must remember ukuthi akhona namanye ama-political party aye-engagwa kuthiwa weza zizoyijoyina nawo sisupporte one vehicle as u-ANC ukuya phambili. Amanye a-refuse yabo lot and they perished along the way yabo. So manje mase sithi asihlaleni phansi siya kuma-elections asihlali phansi manje as i-secretariat. Not even any format of i-alliance. Kuze siya ku-February 24, you remember February 24, 2024 bekune-fill-up Moses Mabhida. That program was a very strategic program because we wanted to flex some muscles as ANC, as the alliance.
Yeah.
We needed to sit as the alliance, discuss the strategy. We never said. And beside that, go July 2023, there was an alliance summit, esayishayela ihlombe, where all PECs or 4 ama-parties were there. Savumelana ngokuthi this is a service delivery program ekumele si-attend, because angithi inkinga enkulu manje i-service delivery. Savumelana nansi i-service delivery. Sisenza ama-resolutions. Ama-resolutions are like i-police.
Yeah.
Uma usuyenzile i-resolutions sekumele i-secretariat ihlale phansi yenze i-program yokuthi how do you implement these resolutions. Yasitaska i-alliance summit yathi onobhala-ke bahambe bokwenza i-program ku-implemente le nto. Onobhala kumele babize ama-deployees ka-ANC ku-government from the premier, ANC busaya in charge. From the premier bezo account ukuthi bawa implementa kanjani ama-manifestos ka-ANC, ama-resolutions ka-ANC. How are they going out to the public? So zonke lezo zinto manje sekumele sihlale sibe nemhlangano yenza lokho. Ayenzeki. Nobhala biza phela. Ayibizwe imhlangano. Siyaqhubeka-ke siya kuma-elections asihlalile. After February 24, size siyefike ngoMay ahlalile as i-alliance. Suthi nje ngamanye amazwi siye kuma-elections singenayo i-alliance plan, singenayo i-strategy sokuwina ama-elections.
Nayikhankasela kodwa i-ANC.
Sayikhankasela phela i-ANC, angithi siyayithanda, siyakholelwa kuyona, but into eyenzakalayo thina we are clear ukuthi i-challenge ne-leadership ekhona ka-ANC ngaleso sikhathi it's not ANC osenza kanje ufuna uyi-leader you must be able ukuhlukanisa ukuthi hayi lokho akubona kwe-party ngoba i-party inama-resolutions athi yingakho sike sithi kwenye inkathi hayi akubona u-ANC yo-corrupt ayikho i-conference ka-ANC yakayahlala yathi sambeni sodla imali yabo lona sambeni sokwenza ukuthi umuntu nje ophuma enikezwe i-mandate afike azenzele into yakhe engasiyona i-mandate so uthe u-ANC-ke unfortunately uma uthola u-17% but you could see ukuthi yazi if ingekho i-alliance u-ANC wakazi uye kuma-elections without i-alliance u-17% asikazi uthola even idliwa ukuqala even i-Western Cape engayona i-political province efavorable to ANC kazi uthola u-17% but you can see ukuthi fundamentally something was wrong sesingasho formation of MKP nani angifuni futhi ukuthi mina elevate i-MKP kakhulu okudlula engazi ukuthi manje sine MKP phobia uyayizwa lona there were things which were fundamentally wrong ngaphakathi kuthina it has never happened we never had a plan we never had a strategy so we just went now sesitholile lo 17% we must have a post-mortem review these things angithi azintsha kuyenziwa i-history tradition I'm sorry asinayo i-post-mortem review after umhla ka-29 May 2024 ayihlali futhi i-alliance we must prepare for reformation ka-government sihlali futhi hayi ukuthi sithule siyamemeza yabona nje thina ukuzwa lazo uNatal kusekhona u-government of provincial unity yazi ngezwa ngoba ngezwa ngohlabisa we-IFP ngimuzwa kwesinye sama-radio station
so i-ANC azange zinitshele
asikaze sihlale up to now ukuyokhuluma ukuthi kuzoba khona u-government of provincial unity as uSANCO thina sinama-interest athize ama-department athize aye baphaka emphakathini yizwa leyo sifuna ukuthi mase kwaziwe lo government of provincial unity sifuna ukuba nezwi nathi ukuthi cha asithathenike lama department lawe siwabona ukuthi u-ANC muwa driver uzokhuluma nezidingo zabahlali uyayizwa lona asikwazi sikwenze konke lokho ngomhla ka-13 June 2024 sakhathala sobathathu siyilama organization senza into engakazi yenzakala sabiza i-media briefing yayikhona la eThekwini sasho sathi hayi sifuna nje ngoba abantu bethu ebade sikhankasa sithi abavotela u-ANC basibuza iy'mpendulo basibuza imibuzo asinazi iy'mpendulo sifuna bazi ukuthi hayi ahlali sixakekile njengamanje ayizwa lo ndaba so this is thina sobathathu SACP COSATU SANCO but angithi lento ayimile iyaqhubeka yabo kukhona imihlangano eminye esibizwa kuyona mhlambe kuthiwa SANCO zani kwi PEC extended ANC uSANCO ke wathatha i-resolution from that PEA from last year December that was the last extended PEC ANC attend but uSANCO PEC ANC comrade officials angaphinde aye kwi-PEC extended ye-ANC uma sizobizwa singahlalile kuqala as i-alliance funa sibizwe as leadership singayi ngoba mesiya laphana shuthi soyisa uSANCO simenze i-step child se-alliance funa siye mesibizwa kwi-extended sifike sesathi sokhulumani sesihlalile as i-alliance yayizwa lo ndaba mekuthiwa i-extended PEC akubizwe ne-SANCO PEC kubizwe ne-COSATU noma ngeke ngibakhulumele but that was i-resolution yeSANCO ukuthi extended PEC singaxoxile awufike wonke ama-PEC lapha so that kuzoba khona ukubhalansa kwembono uyayabona so bebizwa-ke kwamanye ama-PEC sisho cha we can't asitholakala ukuza lapho so that's why uSANCO-ke manje ngomhla ka-1 November wathi wema comrade nabo le item esihlezi sinayo kwi-agenda yethu ihlezi ibuza nje ukuthi injani i-relationship ye-alliance vese I should think wonke ama-political parties ahlezi nayo i-item enjalo ngoba ubudlelwane be-alliance buyabonishwa it's very strategic hayi asithi iSANCO no man le relationship yethu no-ANC ngoba siyaxoxa noKhosathu ne-SACP siyawenza ama-joint program siyayibiza i-ANC ayifiki yabo nje thina nje siyolontsha uSANCO wethu lastele PC yethu sayibiza i-ANC ayifikanga siyayibiza even kuma build up siye kuma njoba so campaign nje besinama events amakhulu nathi eSANCO sibiza iprovince ingafiki the only time kufika uANC kwafika umam Nomvula Munkonyane uyena wafika sasine program eMlazi futhi yabo angisazi ukuhamba la lephi comrade le NEC nathi sasine NEC yethu yes kwafika iNEC ANC kodwa futhi iprovince yayingekho which is very strange yabo then this when uSANCO said nah the relationship ma comrade ayifake ayikho genuine asifesane nje sicacise ukuthi nje ngoba ivesi ayisekho asifesane siphumeke vese entweni engekho
okay
that's when we issued a letter
okay ngokwe analysis yakho do you think iANC ku province isanidinga
you know bathi 24 hours is a very long time in politics yabo Lord so okusho ukuthi after issue le letter sekuningi futhi sekushitshile sekukuningi sekushitshile yabo usi bafu ngiziphendula kanje angithi sino membership eANC so SACP so Khosathu emsebenzini so labor yabo sine membership yakho konke lokho yabo conferences kaANC nami ngiyafika ngidelegate ye branch
okay
I'm an ANC branch chairperson
okay
I've been the chairperson I think the longest serving chairperson in my branch for 10 years noma sethe ngiyayeka ayathi branch hayi ngeke nobhala behlalo awuthi ukuhlala kancane for stability which is what I appreciate of course being a provincial secretary ngiphinde ngibe uhlalo webranch akusasebenze kahle because ibranch ibuye funa izo receive amanye ama resolutions athathwe yithina sikwi PEC yabo kwi alliance so but ke I'm happy ukuthi this year kumele ngiphume iphelile vese term yethu yebranch but ke why I'm saying that ngizama ukuchazela nje ukuthi uANC so understanda kanjani ukusho ukuthi sinama national resolutions eANC ahlezi econfirma ialliance way alliance delivers a message of support yayizwa londa ukusho ukuthi if into ikwe national say national resolution into alliance is strategic relationship ayikwazi mine even kwi province ihlala province we were there so ayikwazi manje along the way bese kuthiwa hayi ialliance uANC awusabadingi oba yabo njengamanje if there was ever any time uANC odinga khona ialliance this is now ayikazi ANC idinga ialliance njengamanje you see but abantu numbers don't lie you know why we are in politics we politics ngoba sifuna ukungena government why kubalekile ukungena ku government ingoba ukuba ku government kuphela la ongakwazi ukushintsha khona impilo zabantu through taxpayers money of course yayizwa lona wonke lama political parties osukwabona kwi ballot wonke asafuna ukungena ku government akwazi ukushintsha impilo zabantu so if siye ku government sabuya na 17% siye kuma elections sabuya na 17% akuhle lokho ukusho ukuthi impilo zabantu ngeyishintsha ngoba le manifesto besinayo ngesikwazi ukuyimplementa bese siyimplementa sesoncika kwabanye abantu sesincinga amanye ama parties nani kanti kudala besikwazi nje ukuyimplementa sodwa sinehlale ezu44 eParliament
okay but now Magaye nina ni sort of flexible because ninhlangano yabantu yabahlali right so why nizonamathela entweni where clearly abasandingi uyabona ningamove nithi samba neIFP or samba neMKP or samba neEFF whatever political party enithi ningahamba nayo why nizoloku namathele kubantu ekubonakala ngathi vele because mangilalela indlela ochaza ngakhona igigaba zenzeka but still you guys niluke nikhona nithi hayi no hayi ANC yethu akhona amanye ama political parties akhona why ningahambi nawo
That's a very good question. Angithi sihlanganiswa yini ubonile ngiyilanda eqaleni
yeah
ngiyilanda ku Freedom Charter ne
yeah
ukuthi siyahlangana ne le yanto lapha ku Freedom Charter bese bakhona othi hayi mhlambe ngeke sibe nabaholi babantu besifazane organization esho kanjalo kwenzela umzekelo bese kuba khona sibonile khona nje sike sabona ukuthi uMagwaza Msibi manje userisile usengaba upresident kuyona kwagcinapha wagcina yoqalele yakhe inhlangano yabo wabona ukuthi naba besaba umuntu wesifazane angithi asikwazi ukuassociate nabantu abanjalo angithi yabo thina sifuna iorganization ebhale phansi ukuthi abantu besifazane kumele okungenani they must not be less than 50% kuma structures of leadership and nakuma deployment yayizwa and ANC is saying that futhi uyizwe kahle ayisho ukuthi u50-50 ithi they must not be less than okusho ukuthi abantu besifazane bangaba u60% amadoda aba u40 kodwa abantu besifazane cannot be less than 50% yayibona lonto so si associate neinhloso zayo ukuthi nawo ama objectives si associate ne democratic revolution ukuthi we want to build lento ekuthiwa i national democratic society so sine vision si attractwa i vision so it's not a matter of bani laba hayi sesojoyina bona uzofica bona aba operate ngalezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo uma isinqumo sesidecidiwe inhlangano engenhla structures ngenhla structures ngezansi siyathobela ethi uma isinqumo sesidecidiwe imajority emhlanganweni if kade wena ungahambisana naleso sinqumo kodwa musuphuma la uzophuma nawe usubhayendo leso sinqumo angiziyabona ukuthi kunama principles esiyiwona thina esiyidefine ngawe sosango bese bakhona namanye ama organizations aphila leyo mpilo awukwazi manje bese nothi sesizohamba nalo that is why kumele silungise ialliance izizibe right ibe lento esivumelene ngayo
okay siya ku 2026 nizoyikhankasela iANC yezisango kuma elections
yeah angithi ke manje yothi ngiyiqalele before ngijombe lapho angisherish nawe Njomani ukuthi sesivumelene si alliance secretariat
okay
ukuthi sinomhlangano
yeah
esohlala manje nobhala weANC usengifonelile saxoxa
okay
wakhuluma nabanye ozakwethu futhi saxoxa sesinomhlangano ke siyohlala
okay
yeah angijezwa ingakho bengisho eqaleni 24 hours is a very long time
okay
yeah
so lo kusho ukuthi vele nizoyikhankasela
okusho usuyikhankasela
njengamanje yes because anything isangenzeka
yeah I think I must say you know how what happened angithi besisho nawe bezindaba ukuthi sibhalele u general secretary weSANCO
okay
sacela intervention ku comrade Fikile Mbalula ezingeni labo ka national bona bane rapport u general secretary weSANCO ulfone uza kwabo ANC at any point in time u comrade Max Albambe hey nobhala esho ku nobhala weSANCO international level yona relationship esiyaziyo thina ialliance hayi wamthethe hey kuyabhetha lapha eKZN uyabona wathe ngiyabona mfethu hey wathi hamba ulungisa lento tshela ama comrade akhe umsebenzi wayeANC phela ubiza umhlangano wealliance mesihlala thina kahle singayihlalela kodwa let meeting sihleli SSP Khosathu lo mhlangano is not properly convened ngokwealliance umbax wangenelela wangenelela la instructure i province yaZulu Natal ANC busy alliance
Yeah.
siyodlala ke ngisho yabona ukuthi i-relationship
Okay.
isakhona
Okay.
but bekhona nje ubukhixixixi bekudinga ukuthi bulungiswe.
Okay. Now umhlangano uzohlala.
Yebo.
But already there is a damage ekhona. Part of the damage ekhona i-ANC ithi uMagaye wademanda a position kwa Department of Health i-position yokuba uDG, right? uMagaye wademanda ukuthi abaholi kwiprovince yaKwaZulu-Natal abafonele uRamaphosa adeploywe usizwe cele,
Ha.
right? i-ANC ithi uMagaye wasabisa yona i-ANC ngokuthi izomthobisa uformer president uZuma. That's why bengibuza lo mbuzo ekuqaleni ukuthi kwenzakalani. So izomthobisa. So kodwa into eyenzakalayo kufanele i-ANC ideploye uMagaye kwiposition.
Yeah.
Isho njalo i-ANC akusho mina. You understand, it's something ekhona kwi-public.
Yeah.
Uyabona, surely nawe uyizwile.
Angizwile.
Exactly. So ke niyohlala kwi-meeting but already there is a damage ekhona. Uyabona, engangoba kuthiwa waze wafika late noma awufikanga ukuthi angisakhumbuli kahle. Ngesikhathi I think kwakuyohlangabezwa umzimba ka the late uPG.
Yes.
So why ufuna lama positions? Why ufuna ubuDG kaHealth?
Rara.
And okay, and sorry, usaphendula. And on top of that, ithi ANC hayi. Thina ANC asisebenzi kanjalo. Uma ukuthi there is position ekhona. So uMagaye apply njengabo bonke abantu naye. You understand, so that ma ukuthi uya qualify, okay fine, aka apply. Ma ukuthi awuthola umsebenzi uyawuthola umsebenzi, but thina as ANC asinayo ipower ukuthi vele sithi hayi hamba uyoba uDG lapha ka Health. So ngathi mina uMagaye kanti sihleli naye kanti udemand ama positions. So sithini story?
No, my thanks very much for that particular question. I think vese kumele siyikhulume. Uyazi nje njengokuthi khona idamage eyenzakalile. You are correct ukuthi khona idamage eyenzakalile. Uyazi ngithe ngibizwe yenye yama TV stations. Ngafaka WhatsApp nje, we normally do that kuma statuses zethu.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngizobe ngiyokhuluma lapha ngo past 7. Bazosibuza ngencwadi esiyibhalele unobhala we-province we-ANC.
Okay.
Asikusho futhi nokuthi asikhiphanga i-media statement. Sibhala incwadi, sayibhalela unobhala we-ANC. Ukuthi ifike kanjani kwabezindaba. So ngiyazi ke abantu nje into i-media iyayithanda into e-involve uSANCO njengamanje. So sinihlanhla ke nje ukuthi baye basithande ukusibiza. So kumele mase sibiziwe. Kumele ngoba izosuka i-media ithi hayi bese ubizile uSANCO wangafika. So kuthe kusenjalo later on uComrade Mafika ke uspokesperson we-ANC waZulu-Natal. Akunankinga uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi obani ababuka ama WhatsApp akho.
Okay.
Uyawabuka ama WhatsApp ami wayibuka naleyo status. Kuthe ngo7 bafake epage lePC ukuthi hayibona obhala no debate hayi noma afika. Nange sebhale ukuthi uya kule stage ke ngeke ngisisho ke ngegama ngazi noma ngiyakwazi nokusisho. Uya kule stage ke nayo ngalesikhathi wena obizwe ngaso.
Okay.
Yazi ngabuthi hayibo kampela same time yabo. Mina i-TV ayitshelanga ngo debate. Ngimbhalele futhi uComrade Mafika WhatsApp. Because he's a comrade. Angithi phela imatter ayikho personal. Ayikho ngosizwe cela imatter. IngoSANCO. Siyaxoxa ngibhalele wesomlomo so debate yini yabo. Athi so debate. Ngithi isikhathi sifanayo mina ngiyongena nawe uyongena uthi so debate soniphendula. Ngithi mina hawu kanti nikhona. Kade sifuna impendulo nje senziwe letha ku National TV. indaba ningezi sihlale phansi ke mase ninazo impendulo already kuyimanje sibanga lokho ukuthi sifuna impendulo kodwa sithi asihlale phansi size sitshela abantu siyaphuma kunina ngoba anisinike impendulo athi asikhathele kade sithule sekuphela unyaka wonke ingakho sithi sizokhuluma wena uyas-attack you can't personalize it to me futhi asin attack mesithi ni arrogant ukuthi arrogant leadership igama esilaziyo ka-ANC leyo i-diagnostic report ka-Comrade Gwede Mantashe yango-2017 yathi some of leadership e-ANC is arrogant. We adopted that report and i-ANC national yane program yokuphuma national ukukhuluma ukuthi leadership ayeke kuba arrogant. So uma sesipoint arrogance kunina senethi santhuko even in the dictionary igama elithi arrogant is not a derogatory term ayiyona inhlamba. So ukuba arrogant kampela ke manje ucasula nawe ukutshela iqiniso ukuthi ni arrogant as leadership not at a personal level. Okay ngabuza uSankho la WhatsApp very fast. Sankho uthi mafika so debate epage le PC. What discusswa ke la quickly yathi PC yazi Comrade Nobhala uma fika is childish. Is childish uzoya lapha a destroy ANC. He can say noma yini afuna ukisho. We will not want uSankho uzutholakale usukhuluma kwi level yodaka uma fika angagcina sidrekele kuyona sihlalelo dakeni sigcine singasabonakala thina ukuthi yini ebesiyifuna ku-ANC ungayi kuyo debate Nobhala. I did have a feeling ukuthi hey yazi ngiyahlalela kuyo debate phela I'm a leader I have i-content ukuthi ngiyothini ngithunyiwe inhlangano engiyilida kodwa no yazini akaze kwenzeka ukuthi alliance iyo debate kwi-media and u-ANC njengamanje una 17% it's very easy ukushaya u-ANC could go there athi uyakhuluma ngithi but ukuthi nokuthi ngikhuluma idingo zabahlali nginelist mina yezinto zabantu abayidingayo yabo sengishayile u-ANC ngawuqeda sabona no that's not what we want asidinga ukushaya u-ANC thina all we wanted ukuhlala nawo ANC in closed doors phela that's why izinto zethu ingaphumeli ngaphandle because sihlezi sihlala kwi closed doors the day uvala iminyango ingasingahlali that's when sogcina siphumele ngaphandle sesiprotest ake ngaze ngathi mina umafika uyazi into right Comrade ngizongena mina ngisho ngikushoyo wena ungena uphendule kodwa asikwazi ukuhlala toe like this iyobe sayibulala sayiqeda i-alliance hayi ngangena ke futhi futhi mesingena futhi lapha lo muntu we-TV wayekhuluma lo upresident uComrade Mafika was also there in the background wathi uComrade Mafika ngifuna ungena nayo uSizwe ngathi mina no Isankho said we must not debate life we will destroy ANC when we are childish. I told him I wrote him in WhatsApp I have it still here which I said we are childish. Isankho says PC I mean we are childish I can't debate so then mase ngiqede ukukhuluma angena uma engena uComrade Mafika ungena akakhuluma kuma issues ethu thina sikhuluma ama issues amanzi sifuna uimplement iprogram iAlliance Summit sifuna ukukhuluma into ebulala abantu bakithi njengamanje into yama tuck shop into ye food poisoning sifuna ukukhuluma amathuba omsebenzi uyayizwa lento uma fika uvezona ufika mina uthi ngiyikhulumela mina hawu ngiyikhulumela mina futhi yonke lento yokuhlala kwe-PEC nale meeting esummit le media briefing esaba nayo ngo-13 June this year ne-alliance ayikho nje bonke labantu ba-under i-leadership yami bazolwele into zikacelo uyayizwa lo ukuthi ngiyikhulumela mina abazana nje engaphendula lutho organizational abazana adlala indoda awungena futhi odakeni yazi mase ngimlalele yazi ngajabulela ukubona ubuholi beSankho ukuthi ubuholi beSankho bu-matured bukhulile they understand the character ka spokesperson ka ANC ukuthi uyingane yampela yabo le level abekhuluma kuyona eqamba amanga ke even worse ekhuluma negossip yayizwa lona othi ngithathele nje umzekelo uma uComrade Pravin Gordhan edlule emhlabeni I think udlule angisazi noma ngoSeptember
no okay
nje ngoSeptember but it's months after uJune It's months after sehlalile thina sesilo ke-media briefing as SACP consultant Sankos complain. Yena ukukhuluma uthi ngibhala lento ngenxa yedemand engayenza ngoSeptember. Yethu usekhohliwe i-red mentality yakhe. Usekhohliwe already we've been kwi-media. All the Sanko did was just to take this thing a step further, wasethi catamatize no-ANC. But sonke siwisem kwagmaya as i-alliance. So then that's when I realized ukuthi yazi if benginomafika lapha kwi-studio. Abana bekuzokwenzeka i-damage engeke isalungiseka.
Okay.
Because umafika ukhuluma ngama-hearsays. Ukhuluma ngengxoxo yayiphakathi kwami noDuma no uhlalo ANC no Comrade Mtolo noBhala. Lapha namesilinde uPravin Gordhan mhlambe saliqeda i-hour or hour 30 minutes. Ibhanoyi lingakafiki isilimbe umzimba of the late Comrade Pravin Gordhan. Nakhona mengifika bathi hawu hey Sanku khona ngithi already besingasawa attend lama extended PEC meetings because of le yanto ya last year eqhubeka nje babese bethula unyaka wonke. It's a question kwalokho uthula kanjani unyaka wonke kodwa ulead. Don't you realize you create a vacuum in politics awuyishi vacuum yayizwa lonto. Usethula unyaka wonke okay. Mesilindile lapha ya airport siyaxoxa ukuthi hey Sanku khona ngithi mina angizile lana ngoba yilama meetings abuya bizo nobhala we-province ngo-short notice yabo you can't call me ngo-11 uthi angize meeting nga-4 yabo lonto so you can't do that at a provincial level alliance we need to respect one another yabo give us notice kahle size nathi so ngathi mina but umngcwabo ukushona kwe-veteran uGordhan akuyonto ebiplaniwe akuyonto ebihleliwe so we must respect that we need to be above certain issues yabo lonto understand cha le issue leyile so while simile siyaxoxa seyisana la ngithi off record yonke into esixoxayo yabo laphana kufethu kunezinto nje eziningi ezashiwo nabaholi beANC ebhetayo yabo siyaphetha ayikho siyabuye siyincome ngomsizwa bethu ngegigaba ethize yayizwa le okuyinto esingeke ngiyithathe ngiyilethe la yabona manje mase ngithi ukube ngangilapha I think nami phela ngumuntu mhlambe ngangahlebeleka ngithi athi awu Comrade Mafika uComrade uMtolo waxoxela lokho akaxoxelanga ngani ukuthi nokuthi akusho silapha eKing Shaka Airport walisilinde
wathini
iyadinga lento ngithi lento ebengisho ngeke ngayisho kwesinye istage ukuthi you must understand ukuthi siqale kuba active kwipolitics kaANC so sifunda izinto eziningi yabo so ngilithu Sanko nje I'll tell you for sure silithu Sanko kodwa si apply ama skills esiwafunde kaANC leadership because that's where we started to lead so you understand ukuthi okunye this thing is off record la besidlala sama out egcineni yabo sonke sabantu so uma usuthatha into very informal ngale ndlela futhi angangcono nokuthi ngayisho but uComrade you can't do that wrong le yanto ukuthi uqambe amanga ngeComrade at a level personal kanje so that's when I realized ukuthi yazi thank God ungcono mina angishaye Mafika I prefer mina ukuthi ngibe umhlabelo wakhe kodwa mengazi ukuthi dignity ANC is safe but lastly uSanko ke KZN sihlala ama meeting ayingqaba ne PEC kuhlala iPOB yahlala iPWC kwahlala iPEC kuthanga we resolved ukuthi leya nkulumo kaMafika was not personal it was not political personal as much as isobuyele ingxoxweni sohlala kodwa we demand a public apology because uma engayenzi public apology because sabona ANC lo mina I've received a lot of calls from Comrade bexolisa la on behalf of uMafika noANC bethi uMafika did not reflect to ANC the character ka ANC that's not I'm a provincial secretary he must respect that uMafika is junior even kuma ranks uma sihlala kona wonke ama meetings uMafika usuke ngekho sihlala e-secretariat akekho uMafika sihlala as officials akekho uMafika uMafika is an additional member ka ANC is not even a PWC member so he needs to respect lokho yayizwa lonto. So mina futhi vese bengeke ngidebate naye ngokwama ranks. Mina my Ali is Comrade Mtolo, so mess debate. I don't think futhi we'll get to that point. We'll debate. Lo mhlangano siyakona, we will debate. We'll raise issues critical, kodwa within ama confines of ama values a revolutionary alliance. Without personally attacking one another and lying to each other.
Okay. So awukazi ufuna umsebenzi kuma leaders ANC.
Lalela. You see enye into abathanda ukisho esiyikhulumile esayikhuluma. We spoke deployment. You see ngedeploy kune what you call provincial list committee.
Okay.
Ekhuluma ngedeployment politically. Ukuthi njoba kiwa kuma elections. That is angithi leyo into ipublic. Njoba kiwa kuma elections so deploya kanjani? uSankho uyahlala lapho. uSankho kodwa waba neproblem. Kwakusawubaba uWillis Mchunu. Uhlalo waleyo committee last year. Nathi sideploy umuntu wethu. Wayihleli lapho. Ithi ama guidelines abhalo ANC, abhalo sakwa adopter nationally at a level of alliance. uComrade Khalima Monhlanhla oyena uhlalo waleyo committee. Elisha ama guidelines ukuthi kuyiwa kanjani. Ithi wonke umuntu must be represented elistini. Including i-alliance. It's very specific. Iwa list yayizwa lot nabanye bama progressive organizations bamabandla abama traditional leadership. I-youth, i-women yayizwa lonto. Ngisho yabona ukuthi ama values vese lawo thina esihambisana nawo. Sahlala uSankho was nowhere elistini. uSankho was badly treated. So ubaba Willis naye akenzanga kahle. Yabona njobe ese-crossile nje naye ine damage ayishiye yenzile le ekhaya. Waseyabalekela amavundululo akhe. Waseya ngale. So naye akenzanga kahle because we tried to engage him up until kuze kuyohlala umunye umhlangano wahlala last year ngomhla ka-14 December lo usuna wonke ke ama leaders kodwa sifika futhi nakhona uSankho ama officials so5 SACP 5 Khosa to 5 ANC U8. That's when futhi akhulumanga mina ngakhuluma ngeprinciple ngakhuluma as unobhala ukuthi kathi hlala wonke lama meeting ebelungiselela list seso endorse list manje. uSankho bungamenyiwe kwaze kwangenelela national leadership yethu ukuthi uSankho umenye. Njoba le list esoyi-endorsa i-leadership kaSankho ile emumva. Le list esoyi-endorsa le list esoyi-endorsa I reflect ama guidelines ka-ANC yayizwa lonto. So sikhulume mina ngikhulunya nje ngokumenywa kaSankho ngithi mina odila ne-correspondence. Mase ngiqedile kungena uhlalo uRowlands Dube akhulume ngalokho futhi uyena okhulumayo ukuthi even unobhala angithi mina I'm politically clear, I can't speak on my behalf. You don't do that ka politics. Even namanje njoba ngiyayikhuluma njoba sayixoxa kamafe but I said kwi-PAC bebethi ngi-raise ngathi I can't do that. I can't talk about myself. PAC agreed ukuthi uComrade Lawrence Dube must lead lawo ma discussions. Because he's a chairperson. Something is wrong yenziwe attackwa unobhala personal. Bonke badiniwe ngoba babuka ukuthi le attack yas-reduce. So ngifuna ubuyela kule list I raise futhi uComrade Dube athi akusebenzeki kahle if unobhala employed elsewhere as an employee on a full-time basis. Unobhala must be deployed, which is the case. I can tell you all the other 8 provinces unobhala badeployiwe. So unobhala ilist ahleli kuyona akekho kahle lapha. Okusho ukuthi even if we win unobhala ngeke qualify kuyongena eParliament. So nje sekuyi cosmetic things ukuthi ukhona.
Bathini?
Base bethi akuvote. uDube asidingi ukuvotela leyo nto. Su4 suSankho no8 nini. And kule 80 u60 wenu ulapha. okusho ukuthi akekho ozovuma leyo nto. We were talking rule ban uma guidelines ANC ukuthi awenzekile kahle. Lezo Williswe ngase angithi vese mina njengoba ngithi kuhlalo kaANC siyayazi lento yokuvota. Uyabona ukuthi hayi ama balance of forces ami kanje lo noma yini ayishoyo sizomshaya. Wathi hayi asivote besicela nje in principle we are dealing with it. Williswe hayi hlala phansi sihlalo siyavota. Hayi sangavota ke. Bavota against lento esishoyo.
Okay.
So that was the time EPC. Oh no, EPC Mrs. Sohlala nayo after a meeting yabo ngomhla ka18 bephinda futhi bebaningi bo 8 yathi hayi asiyekeni lento attend imhlangano kaANC because ba abuse majority abekho principle ngaleyo ndlela. So mesibizwa this was the position isuka lapho ke lethu mekubizwa iPC extended ayibe extended kona wonke ama PC so engage equally.
Mhlambe lena kwenzeka yaxoxeka nje mhlambe nidlalela le yokufuna iposition lapha ezi uDG lapha ka health mhlambe ke base beyithatha bona personal
uthi mafika ngu uthi ngangifuna ukuba direct bakhona laba bathi ngangifuna ukuba DG
udirector ne
uthi ngangifuna ukuba direct
ka health
hayi
mhlambe okay imama guy mhlambe it's something yena ayikhuluma nje mhlambe nijokhela ya understand mhlambe base beyithatha personal ukuthi no it's something oyifunayo wena as unobhala wesango
azufethu ingakho ezinye izinto kumele ingaxoxe kunezinto lapha kaANC very internal
nayixoxa kodwa mhlambe nisho
manje ukutshela into yazi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngihlala kuma committee amakhulu adeployayo. So Ubo director is a very junior position for me.
Okay.
It's a very junior position. You must understand. I told you ukuthi ngitheme ngiqeda ngo94 ngayofunda.
Oh yes.
Ngaya kwi corporate. Ngasebenza. Yabo kune background yami ongeke uyazi personal engafuni ukuyisho. Ngaze nga resign ngiyi-senior manager. Ngarani company yami. I'm an accountant by practice. Ngavula i-accounting practice yami yabo lord ngasebenza I'm a tax practitioner understand. So you see Ubo director is a very junior position for someone like myself who has led companies. I've been leading even companies in KwaZulu Natal because some companies at some point under leadership kama Maboya Khulu wathi akube khona into ekuthiwa KwaZulu Natal Association of Business. Iyayikhulumela small businesses. They elected me to be the president of that business sector. So I've got in corporate working for Transnet. I was an IT project manager. So I've got ample experience with management. So director position, I can't be ngihlala kwi la ngihlala khona kuma deployment committee yabona I don't even have to mention yonke leyo nto manje yilento ngisho ukuthi uComrade Mafika was going to mess up this whole thing yayizwa lo as a leader kunezinto kumele siyeke zingaxoxwa manje ngiyakuzwa nawe we good interviewer uzeyikopolota le so akumele manje nabalaleli ekhaya bagcine bethi hayi umagayo webaleka kodwa kumele ngikunikeze iprinciple ukuthi as a leader kumele ngibophezelwe iprinciple esisebenza ngayo but this is my background uzwile eqaleni ukuthi I've been with music, I worked no expertly. I put in money, my own pocket money. I've been with soccer ngaba ne club edlalela ku SAB. I had players engaba producer abadlaleli bafana abadlalela uSundowns. So manje musuka yabona lo ilento engisho hayi ukuthi mafika kagazi bekumele ahlale phansi angibuza ukuthi nguba yabona.
Okay. So manje nifuna axoliseke.
Hayi PC esankho ingakho ngishilo ukuthi hayi comrade if uyi leader njengami I must not personally defend myself.
Okay.
Because angikhuluma into zami.
Okay.
If saying attackwa ngoba ngisuke ngiyosho into organization, it's my organization that must defend me. Okay. Not because it defend view yayo.
Yeah. All right. Uzo ngicathi soxhumana after umhlangano because I'm very interested kulo mhlangano enzoba nawo with ANC. you know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kuzohamba kanjani uyabona so ngicathi sizoyixoxa kodwa ke after
I can tell you right now ukuthi mase sibuya sixoxa kahle
yeah
it becomes normal esixoxayo ukuhlala kuma boardroom engakusho nje manje
yeah
ukuthi vese sesidlalile savumelana siPC ukuthi
Okay.
yonke into sikwaye impact normal izolo besibize nama REC zonke awaZulu Natal sawabriefa ngoba asifuni nawo mhlambe in the next 2 days sebesibona ama social media how leadership ugcina uthe
Sure.
yabo nje on Sunday which is tomorrow ucomrade Siboniso Duma une program engicathu uyenza eside ugo region
okay
sengideployile lapho bese ngasa deploy we've been invited properly uhlalo wethu will attend that one
okay
yeah
all right no problem noma kaye kulungile mfethu asibambe lengxoxo namhlanje asibambe ngixoxisa namhlanje no kulungile sibonge kakhulu but ngine surprise for you right uqhamuka konje kwa isection lapha kaMashuba
kwa kwabash
kwa M ne kuphi nase bridgeini ibridge lapha ka M
uqhamuka ngase station khona
Yes.
lokuqala khona lesibili
yeah
mungena kwelesibili uthatha left unyukeke
Sinawina okay all right no mfethu asikubonge la ezike imbizo podcast ukuthi ube ingxenye yethu mfethu siyabonga kakhulu nobhala kakhulu nobhala noma nje ungasangitshelanga kahle le ka DJ le ka director but
hayi le director yeke le director yeke le director
yeah but so sizofika ufake lapha yana officeini lakho noma lapha kwakho yabona
Yes.
kuze ukuthi uma sesinabalandeli abaningi bale podcast bese uthi hayi no ngangingxenye yayo
yebo yona hayi siyayilandela futhi siyayiphusha nathi emagroupini wonke siyawathanda ama podcast ngoba kunikeza isikhathi
Yes,
ukwazi
yes,
ukclarify eziyizi
Yes,
siyabonga
yes.
kakhulu
hayi no kulungile makhaya asibonga kakhulu mfethu
thanks so much
sure all right usizwe cele unobhala we Sanco siyabonga kakhulu all right so ngicela ke usilandele kuma socials bheka Imbizo TV right ngiyaphinda bheka Imbizo TV kuma socials ila uzosithola khona khumbula ke ukusubscribe so that uzokwazi ukuthi ubani omunye umuntu esikhuluma naye and uklikhe le button leli so that uzokwazi ukunotify uma sesifake i-episode ke entsha asibonane next week yes next week sikuphathele ngifuni ngisho kusho kodwa ke sikuphathele someone enginesiqiniseko sokuthi uyafuna ukuzwa especially ke i-political background yakhe nokuthi ke wenzani njengamanje Godspeed